Friday, November 20th, 1942. Dear Kitty, none of us really know how to take it all. The news about the Jews had really got penetrated into us until now, and we thought it was best to remain as cheerful as possible. Every now and then when Meep lets out something that has never happened to her friends, Mummy and Miss Van Dan always begin to cry, so Meep thinks it's better not to tell us any more. But Dussel was immediately compiled with questions from all sides, and the story he told us were gruesome and dreadful, and no one can get them out of one's mind. Yet we should still have our joke and tease each other. When these horrors have faded a bit in minds, it won't do us any good to help those outside to go on being as gloomy as they were in the moment, and what should be done in the object of making our secret annex into a secret annex of gloom. Must I keep thinking of those people, whatever I am doing, and I want to laugh about something? Should I stop myself quickly and feel shame that I am not cheerful? Then I cry the whole day long? No, that I can't do. Besides, this time and glue will wear off. Added to the misery, there is another, but a purely personal kind, and it pales to insignificance beside the wretchedness I've told you all about, but I can't refrain from telling you lately. I've begun to feel deserted. I'm surrounded by two great voids. I've never used to feel this way. My fun and amusements and my girlfriends completely filled my thoughts. Now I either think about unhappy things and myself, and as long as I have made the discovery that Daddy, although he's such a darling, cannot take the place of my entire little world of bygone days. But why do I bother him so much foolish things? I'm very ungrateful, Kitty, I know that, but it often makes my head swim if I jump upon too much and then on top of what I have to think about those miseries.